Call that is scriptless, that is genuine, is not necessarily streamlined in the sense of
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going from this question to this question to the next one to the next one and just perfectly lining everything up. I'm asking questions to get more a broad picture and then zooming in on things and then getting a broad picture and then zooming in on things until
Okay.
all of a sudden I'm like, oh, that is connecting to that, which is causing that, and that's why that is happening. It's not like linear. It's
Mm-hmm.
you're throwing shit at the wall to see what sticks, metaphorically, until you're like, oh, now I can see. Now I've got all of these things up there. I can see what the pattern is. So don't think that it shouldn't necessarily feel a bit messy in the beginning. It will feel
Mm-hmm.
messy because you don't know what the problem is, and probably the prospect doesn't know as well. You're firing questions at the prospect until you can both see, oh, that's clear. So that's part one. Part two is you said, oh, well, there's multiple problems. There can be a couple, two or three maximum causes of the problem, but what you were explaining was symptoms of the problem. There can be multiple symptoms, but what is the one, usually one, but sometimes two or three reason that those things are happening? So if a woman is, constantly attracting these guys that are not compatible and blank and another thing, why are all those things happening? Why are they attracting the guys? Why are they staying with those types of guys? You have to get enough data that you can say, okay, the root cause of all of this is this one thing. If we could solve this one thing, all of your symptoms would be solved. And if you can't get clear as the closer, what is that one thing, then you definitely won't be able to close someone, because you shouldn't be closing someone if you don't know what the solution is, the
Right.
solution, the root cause solution.
I know, and I feel that because I'm like, dang, I don't. And that moment of like, oh, like that's the problem, and then they should be like, oh, that's the problem. I don't know how to get there because it's just unclear. But I can
Okay.
bring this call review to the next
Okay.
weekly, or if I have something else. But ultimately, I think like what I need to work on is just like what is the problem and getting them to say what the problem is and what they need in order to solve that problem, what they think
Yes,
they need.
it needs to be the prospect saying what they think they need, but you should probably, not always, but almost always, you should know what the problem is before you're asking the prospect what the problem is, because you should have done enough data gathering that you're like, okay, I can see what's going on here, but I'm going to ask the prospect, why do you think that is? The
Mm-hmm.
reason you ask the question, why do you think that is, 9 out of 10 times is because you know what the problem is and you want to see if the prospect sees that as well. One time out of 10, you're asking the prospect because you're like, I don't have any fucking idea what's going on here. So I'm going to ask the prospect and see what they think.
Okay.
Not usually, though. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.